Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to AI Spotlight. Today, we're diving into the future of AI with an incredible exploration. As technology evolves, so does the capability of artificial intelligence. Today, we're about to explore the cutting-edge realm of real-time AI drawing, a groundbreaking advancement that's reshaping the landscape of creative possibilities. And ponder the question, is real-time generation the next frontier for AI? Let's go. Recently, Freepik launched a real-time drawing tool called Freepik Pikaso. I received an invitation from Javi Lopez to get early access to this tool. Breaking all previous rules about creating images with AI, now when you combine prompt and a few strokes, everything will change. I will try a boat and a dog floating on the sea with the available icon. Draw more clouds and sun. When you move the strokes, the output will change instantly, or move objects to get new output. And when you move the sun, you will also see how the picture changes the color of the light. Now you can completely explore and create drawings that I think are unique and cannot be duplicated. Although it has just been released and is being tested, I am quite surprised with the capabilities of this tool. Hopefully, in the near future, we will be able to draw higher quality pictures in real time. And if you want early access, use code JAVELUP. Don't forget to thank him.